Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm just here to introduce myself to you in regards to the hashtag I am that I will be participating in. This was created by Free to Fly Budgeting, and I will leave her channel link in the description below. I thought it was a good idea, personally speaking, for myself. I'm hoping that this will motivate me and inspire me to get on and do things that I find quite a chore to do on a daily basis. It's something that I've really wanted to do for quite a while now, and with this hashtag I decided to do decluttering. I know it will help with how I feel sometimes. I feel pretty low and tired a lot of the times, and I just don't feel motivated to do anything. And Michelle introduced this, and I thought it was a really good idea. I'm fingers crossed, I'm hoping that it will really give me the get up and go to do things, and as well as record as I go along, document it. So I think that would be a really good idea why I'm doing it. I'm also doing it because for quite a while now I've been really annoyed about things that I have around the home that I don't want anymore, and it's just cluttering up my space and cluttering up my brain as well. So what I usually do of late is I sit down at breakfast or lunch sometimes and make a list of all the things that it is very annoying to me, things that I don't want anymore, things that I can give to the charity or family and friends if they want them, because it's too much. I don't want 100 pairs of socks anymore. I don't want 100 pairs of pajamas anymore. You know, okay, exaggerating a little, but I'm really happy and looking forward to documenting this as I go along. I've got cupboard spaces to declutter, drawer spaces to declutter, you know, all sorts of spaces that I really want to get things organized and minimize the things that I have in my home. Usually because of how I feel sometimes due to my mental health, I don't really have the motivation to do things strategically. Like every day I'd say, right, I'm gonna do this today, or you know, do this every other day. One day I'll be full of beans and you know, feeling on top of the world and feeling as though I can tackle anything, and then other days it just means nothing to me. I'm just not interested, and it's double jeopardy because I really want the things done and I want to get organized and I want to have that energy to get up and do it. And I'm really hoping that this will help me and also perhaps help somebody else as well. I do make a list of everything that I really want gone, to be quite honest, and the list does help me. It does help to motivate me, because once I've got it there in black and white, I can see it and I get it all off my brain, so my brain doesn't feel all cluttered up as well. So I'm hoping this series will bring me some kind of happiness and joy and some energy in order to do these things that I really want to do. This series of hashtag I am decluttering consists of clearing out, cleaning the spaces, and also reorganizing things. If this is something of interest to you, please consider subscribing, liking, and leave me a comment. I also subscribe and comment back once you are a public subscriber. If you're not, leave me a comment when you do subscribe, just so I know to come over to your channel and subscribe back. Thank you so much in advance. Take care of your good selves and see you soon. Bye.